Welcome back to How to DIY and Save a Dime. Today we're going to be doing a CPR design revibe in this corner. Lots of time we have corners and people just want to stick a chair in a corner or a plant. You don't always have to do that. Be more creative. And so I'm going to show you a way that I'm creative, make it look real artistic, and gives people something to speak about or a conversation piece. So we're going to get started with a quick revibe on this corner. So we're going to start off by finding the main piece to anchor everything around it. So let's get started. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this CPR design revive. A quick way to do a corner and make it look totally artistic and mimic your style. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you thumbs up the video, share the channel, and if you are new to the channel, join my family by subscribing and hitting that bell so you're notified every time I load a new video. And guess what, guys? If you have any questions, comments, put them below. If you want to email me or you want to see me do something on this channel, put it below. Or email me at HowToDIY&SaveADime@gmail.com. And I will see you guys later, Gators.